Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to earn free major tokens on BYBIT. So guys, BYBIT made an announcement a few days ago on their Twitter account that they will be sharing free major tokens to any user who will participate in their launch pool. Okay, so let me take you to their Twitter account and show you guys what they said. Okay, so you can see this is BYBIT Twitter account, major launch pool. Okay, you can stake MNT or TON or USDT to earn a share of 1 million major tokens. Okay, and the period starts on 22nd November to 27th November. Okay, so currently we are in the 24th November and it's left with 3 days more, so you can join this limited launch pool to earn some of the major tokens. Okay, so let me take you to my BYBIT account to show you guys how you can participate in this launch pool, okay, so that you can earn some major tokens. Okay, so I'll open my BYBIT account. This is my BYBIT account. Okay, I'll open my BYBIT account, then I'll click on this more. You can see some features over here. I'll click on the more and you will see launch pool over here. Okay, but if you don't see the launch pool, you can just search for launch pool over here. You can just click on this and search for launch pool. Okay, so this is launch pool. They have launch pool and launch pad, but we are talking about the launch pool. Okay, so let's click on launch pool. Okay, and you can see they have a lot of tokens they are staking. Okay, they say earn new tokens by staking crypto on BYBIT. Okay, so you can see major launch pool is ongoing and it's left with 3 days more to end the staking. You can see 3 days more to end the staking, so you can participate in this launch pool to earn more major tokens before the listing. Okay, so you can either stake with MNT token, or you can stake with USDT, or you can stake with TON. You can see you can stake with TON, USDT, or MNT. Okay, so if you want to stake with the MNT, you need to first get the money or the crypto token in your funding account. Okay, so let me go back to my assets. You see assets over here. Okay, so you should get the money here in your funding account, whether the MNT or the USDT or the TON. Okay, the money should be in your funding account over here. Okay, so let me go back to the launch pool again. Okay, so if you want to stake with the MNT, you just need to get an MNT token. Okay, so you can convert some of your crypto tokens to MNT to stake in this launch pool to get some of the major tokens. Okay, so if you want to stake with MNT, you just need to click on stake to earn. Okay, and this will appear. So stake MNT. Okay, and you enter the amount of MNT you want to stake. Minimum start from 100 MNT. Okay, so currently I have no MNT in my funding account. Okay, so if you have MNT in your account, you can just enter the amount of MNT. Maybe you want to stake with 500 MNT. You enter the 500 MNT, then you click on this to agree to their terms and conditions, then you click on confirm. Okay, very simple. If you want to stake with USDT, you can click on stake to earn, then you enter the amount you want to stake. Okay, minimum starts from 100 USDT to 2000 USDT. Okay, so if you want to stake with 5000 USDT, just enter the amount you want to stake, then you tick this to agree to their terms and conditions, and you confirm. This is very simple. And at the end of the launch pool, you get your USDT back. Okay, they won't take your USDT, no, you are just taking the crypto to earn major tokens. So at the end of the launch pool will end in 3 days. So when the launch pool is over, you get your USDT back, or the MNT or the TON you used to stake. Okay, you get it back, and you also get the major tokens. Okay, so this is how you can stake TON or MNT or USDT to earn some of the free major tokens. Okay, BYBIT is sharing 1 million. You can see 1 million major tokens. I need to be fast to get some of the token. At least you should get 50 tokens or 100 tokens. Yes. Okay, and you can see they have a lot of tokens. You can also participate. Okay, they have a lot of tokens. You can also participate. Okay, so let's read more about who can participate in this launch pool. Okay, so someone will ask, what is BYBIT launch pool? Okay, BYBIT LaunchPool allows you to simultaneously stake multiple crypto to earn project tokens for free, and the staked tokens can be redeemed at any time. Okay, LaunchPool supports various tokens for staking such as MNT, USDT, UDC, USDC, project tokens, etc. Depending on the specific project, the terms and conditions for BYBIT LaunchPool shall be reviewed and updated regularly. Okay, and also who is eligible for this LaunchPool? Okay, BYBIT is saying only users who have completed the individual identification verification requirements are eligible. Okay, so if you want to participate in the BYBIT LaunchPool, you need to first verify your BYBIT account. Okay, and how can I participate in the BYBIT LaunchPool? Okay, you can simply go to the BYBIT. You can simply go to the LaunchPool homepage and click on register. Okay, so if you want to participate, just come to the homepage. You see register over here. Okay, I have already registered. Yeah, you just tap on it and it automatically register you. It's not any hard thing to do. Just click on it and you are registered. Okay, I've already registered to join the major staking. Okay, yeah, you can see this. I haven't done this trust token yet, so you can see register here. Okay, so if I'm interested with trust, I just click on register to join. Okay, same applies to major. Okay, so this is how you can stake some of your tokens, whether USDT, MNT, or Ton, to earn free major tokens. Okay, and if this video helped you to participate in the LaunchPool, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.